Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to change also a skin. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to Google and search for also cursor skin, and then from here go to ososkinner.com and click this website. And then from here guys, on their website you will have multiple options to choose from. So let's say I want this one, so just click on it. And from here, you will have an option to download it. Just click it on the side right, guys. And once you have downloaded it, just open the application also. Just click the logo in order for you to go to the settings, click options. And from here, make sure you are on this brush icon. And guys, when you click on the current skin, you'll be able to see there your skin that you downloaded. But if you don't see it, you can just click open a current skin folder over here, or you can export as OSK. So from here, guys, you will have various options about your skin. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.